I genuinely thought I missed the boat. AI jobs? Data science? That was for coders, PhDs, and people younger than me. I wasn't technical, I was stuck in a regular job. But then I found this guide. No jargon, no BS, just a clear path, written for people like me. Step by step, I started learning the right things. Not everything, just what mattered. Now, I'm building AI projects. I'm freelancing, I'm in the game, and because I know how hard it is to start, I'm giving away the guide, completely free. Book, 9 Steps to Break into AI and Data Science for Non-Tech Workers. Download it now on Ko-Fi right pointing arrow https://ko-fi.com/breakingintoai/shop.